name's Matt Thorpe. I'm now the operations director of the studio here in Singapore and for the Philippines. And it's been great to have interns from MYP, and I'm really excited to review some of the showcase that you're doing today online. I know this was meant to be at Suntec, but because of the situation we're in right now, you decided to do something online, which is great and very exciting. It's always good to see people coming in. They've studied, obviously, whether it be animation, art, or game design. And then it's great to see them get very excited about the chance to work on something that we currently have in production. We're in, an interesting time in Singapore with the current COVID-19. So by having to adapt and put this online, I think it's probably a good learning curve. We're in a very digital industry, so it makes sense for us to be able to come together online and still operate. See you at Fusion.